Good morning, everyone. This is Rupali Memane again meeting you with my new article, Don't Judge, Relate. Is it acceptable to be judgmental? Many times we just judge people by the way they look from outside, the way they present themselves, their behavior, their perspective towards life. And we form an opinion on someone or something based purely on what is seen. But after taking a deeper look, the person or that particular thing may be a very different than what you have actually expected, what actually you have thought about it. We are so judgmental that we not only judge people, but we start hating them. We are envy of them. We start abusing them. We start talking about them behind their back or sometimes even in front of them. Are we really capable of doing that? Are we given that authority, or are we the superpower to judge anyone by their behavior towards us or even towards the society? We have never known their past life, what they might have gone through in life. We do not know their part of the story. Then how can we judge the way they behave in? Why their attitudes towards life or attitude towards the society or the way they behave with others is different? Don't judge, relate. Walking a mile in my shoes and then judge me and write your own books. Rightly said by Anne Rule. Try to understand them, know them, relate with them, empathize with them, and then you will get a true picture, the true meaning of your life. You will get the true meaning of their life. Relate what you could have been done if you were them, and you will get a totally different perspective of that person. If we are not able to do that, then don't judge them. We are not gods to judge a person and penalize them. Judge me if you want to, and as a matter of fact, it won't even count, because the only person who can judge me is God. Every person in this world has their own individual story. Many a times, this story of the life may turn out being something that we never even have thought about it. Maybe you have heard this short story. I would like to just narrate. A 24-year-old boy and his father were sitting in a train, and from the train's window, the boy was shouting, "Dad, look, the trees are going behind us. Dad." A couple was sitting in front of them. They couldn't resist. And looking at the boy's childish behavior, they said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to see a good doctor?" The old man smiled and said, "I did, and we are just coming back from the hospital. My son was blind from birth, and he just got his eyes today." Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. Never judge anyone without knowing their actual condition. Think before you speak. Don't just judge, but relate. Hope you liked my article. See you again with a new article.